Crepey skin is not aging. Yes, I know what you think. But after 30 years, 43,000 facials, I am here to tell you it's what the sun has done to the barrier right here. So I watched this crepey skin happen to lots and lots of clients over the years, and now it's happening to me. Once I really understood the process and why it was happening, then I was able to change the way I thought about treating it. Here's the biology that nobody ever talks about, and this is all about UV radiation. It activates these little enzymes in our bodies called MMPs. These darn little enzymes, what they do is they fragment the collagen and the elastin in our body. The UV accelerates, makes it go faster when we have ceramide loss in the lipids in the skin. And you probably already know the statistic of the ceramides in our skin, but it's a good 50% loss by the time we're 50. When the sun degrades those barriers, what ends up happening is the skin becomes super porous. Moisture escapes like crazy. The skin goes paper thin, which I hate. And what you see is what I call tissue paper skin, which is ugh. Not only do we have the UV radiation damage, we also have menopause and estrogen loss. So this is not an aging problem. It becomes a barrier problem, and it becomes a ceramide problem, and it becomes a UV radiation problem in the skin. Also, little sidebar note, estrogen is directly responsible for the ceramide production in the skin. So when estrogen drops, so does ceramide synthesis, or the making of the ceramide. So you have this double whammy on the skin that we always thought was aging, but it's the UV like bombarding the skin from the outside, which is crazy. And then we have our estrogen bombarding the skin from the inside with the loss of the ceramides. This combined is what is causing us to have crepey skin. So can crepey skin be reversed? Here's the answer. Some fragmented collagen, some of the damage from UV will never ever be able to be reversed. But there's hope if you support the barrier with really great ingredients that actually go into the dermis and support the dermis and feed the dermis really great ingredients. You can see the regeneration of the skin. So the cell or the skin needs repair at that cellular level in order to actually make it better. So you want liposomal, which means it delivers down deep ceramides. You want NAD, you want peptides, you want things that are rebuilding the skin, and also the cellular energy of the skin. So you don't have necks like this from the UV damage and the radiation. The next key for this is, in order for the skin to regenerate, you have to have good ceramide production in the skin. The skin has to have energy in order to produce more cells and the cells to be healthy. That's the system, period. It's barrier first, cellular energy second. And that is the regenerative biobarrier method. Comment barrier below and I will send you an amazing guide on how to look at your skin, how to know what's happening in your skin, and how to actually regenerate your skin so it looks like you're not necessarily aging, but you're making stronger skin. And stay around for the next video.